Yo, Secret 7 Tarot back around doing our thing. Alright. This reading right here is for the Divine Feminines. Alright. Jehovah, show me the immediate future if the Divine Feminines remain in Tarot. And not try to manipulate the cards. See, sometimes the community doesn't know exactly when the Divine Feminine is doing witchcraft to project the spirit onto the cards. But when you have people operating with the cards and they're not teaching the cards the correct way, they end up opening the door to satanic influences and confusion because they don't want to speak the wisdom of the cards in the right way. They do it for some sort of monetary advancements because they figure that they have the cards down pat. This noble Divine Feminine, Six of Wands, has the Seven of Cups as the Saturnian Scorpio. Okay, the Seven of Cups is the realms of Scorpio, the third decadent, and the Six of Wands is the second decadent of Leo. Okay. The basis for the situation is the devil. The immediate past is Virgo, which will happen to be more. The top of the mind space, is victory with the Divine Feminine energy. And the immediate future is Tower. Alright. The emotional concerns is the happy home of the Ten of Cups. The environment of the Five of the Six of Wands is the Page of Swords. Because so many spells have been casted on the Divine Feminine is pathetic. And the hopes and wishes is the Four of Pentacles. The outcome is the Two of Pentacles. Okay? With this energy out here, by there being a Tower moment, and the devil being the basis for the situation, the immediate future for the Divine Feminine is confronting the demonic realms of Satan because the devil is the basis for the reading. Alright? The judgment's been called because of the energy projected around the Divine Feminine in this moment. The Three of Swords have been pulled because of the third party situations of the devil and the Divine Masculine projecting onto the Divine Feminine in this current moment. The Three of Cups is here, in regards to victory and success, jubilee in the realms of the Spirit, the Father, and the Son. And the action to take is to tell you that the divine masculine does not believe in the creator of the universe. Alright? So we have Two of Pentacles here as the outcome. One represents the divine feminine, one represents the divine masculine. The hopes and the wishes is for the immediate future of the divine feminine to be revealed to the masses, and what came out was Capricorn, the House of Secrets. As you see that the basis of the card spread was for the devil. All right. So that you guys can see it. Okay. All right. Okay. So as you can see, these are third parties. All right. As you can see, the Four of Cups here doesn't accept the happy home. So the emotions and concerns for this Tower that came in, all right, the emotions and concerns was Tower. The immediate future was Tower, and the emotional concerns was the Ten of Cups, all right. And the environment surrounding this divine feminine, with the basis being the devil, the environment was the spy, witchcraft, right? Third parties in regards to the Holy Trinity, all right? The hopes and wishes for the divine feminine that came true for the Tower that came through in the immediate future was the House of Secrets, all right? The Four of Pentacles, all right, which is the third decadent of Capricorn, bringing in a third party to the Holy Trinity, which is the basis for the situation, the devil. So this mixture of the two energies in one, the divine feminine is projecting onto the divine masculine, and two, the divine masculine is projecting onto the divine feminine. All right. So judgment was called. All right. Now we're going to start at judgment, and we're going to say, Jehovah, show me the light. All right. The Hermit. That's the one that's doing the reading. All right. Show me the dark. All right. The Fool. All right. Show me the Creator. The Six of Cups, which is the nobility of the Six of Wands. All right. Show me the Sustainer. The Lovers. show me the Destroyer. Divine Masculine, who's mentally, physically, or something is in bondage at the current moment. Mental bondage, most likely. Could be physical, I don't know. Show me the fire. If you can see, this is the fire. Let me make sure I get the camera. Show me, this is the fire, the Jehovah, ruler of the wheel of fortune. Show me the air. Libra, justice, bringing in the Queen of Swords. If this is the energy the divine masculine is using and it's in reverse, then this is sex, magic, prostitution, etc., etc. But be that it is on the right side, this right here is the chastity of the Virgo, who has a Libra rising, which would be myself with the moon and Pluto in Libra. All right. The water, it's Aquarius. What happened? The water of Aquarius, the King of Swords, brought in the Seven of Swords, brought in the revelation of a thief. All right. And show me the earth. The earth here is the Hermit, the Knight of Pentacles, which is in the realms of the 8th, 9th, and 10th Pentacle. All right. This Knight protects those realms. All right. This is September the 1st through the 13th. As you know, I am a hermit. I was born September the 9th. All right. Show the how to find love for the collective. How to find love. September the 1st through the 13th, 9 of Pentacles. To become independent, watch more Secret 7 Tarot. All right. Understand the realms of the Empress, that she is the Empress. All right. Areas that one may need to grow in knowledge of about the Divine Masculine, the Queen of Cups. Areas one needs to change, the Knight of Wands, and areas one that may need to liberate is the 9 of Swords, the Divine Masculine energy. So stop staying up late at night and get you all some rest, right? And we will do some more videos here after a while shortly.